After over a year since a ban was placed on illegal mining activities, communities whose lands, vegetation cover and water resources were destroyed are still grappling with the effect of post-Galamsey activities. One of such communities is Wassa East in the Wassa East district of the Western region. Large parcels of once arable lands have been destroyed, and the situation requires urgent proper reclamation program to restore them. It is in the light of this that the community, in partnership with Golden Star Wassa Mine Limited, as part of this year's World Environmental Day, commenced the planting of over 1,000 trees in the district within an estimated period of 6 months to help reclaim the degraded environment and further degradation as a result of illegal mining, Galamsey. Speaking to Joy News, Environmental Superintendent at Golden Star Wassa Mine, Emmanuel Kumson, says they will not rest until they reclaim the land being destroyed within their catchment communities.
We think that if we are able to plant enough trees and able to even inculcate the culture of tree planting into the communities, into the opinion leaders, into the chiefs, when they embrace this philosophy, then they will be in a better position to instill that kind of culture into their people. This is one of the things that actually inspired us to come this way and be able to initiate the tree planting exercise. Now we've actually introduced ambassadors for the tree planting. The essence of these ambassadors is to ensure that anytime we plant a tree, the tree will do well, the tree will not die. Apart from that, the chiefs are also a counter check. They are also supposed to ensure that the ambassadors do their job. So it's like a watchman watching another watchman, somebody watching another man's back, making sure that the culture that we have started, the kind of philosophy that we have, it doesn't die. Illegal mining has widely affected this particular community because in the first place, there has been a very extensive environmental damage, especially with regards to our rivers, our water bodies, trees, the land itself. You know, the Galamsey, it's a kind of activity which involves a lot of chemicals, very dangerous chemicals that actually go to affect the land, affect the water, affect even the living organisms in water.
As the saying goes, catch them young. Some students in basic and junior high schools were selected to be the tree planting ambassadors for the project. Divisional Chief of Mamponso Traditional Area, Nana Kwamina Damwa, gave his full support to the exercise, recounting the losses being made by the community as a result of illegal mining.
And they can, I say, when the last year does, the last man does. In the area here, Papa, Nanka, Obia, Momodan, Undia, San and emergency, Obia, Peso, no Undia, Uko to be Jabia, Momodan can ask some channel, my family.
Some of the students who were chosen as ambassadors also had this to say.
If we plant the trees, it gives us shade. And they say if the last tree die, the last man also die, because the trees are important to human beings. They give us medicine, and plants also help our body. Even if we get a fresh air from the plant, our body becomes smooth.
They taught us a lot of things. They say our dear parents should grow the plants well. They should stop taking pollutants around so that it loses. When they do all that things, the soil loses its fertility. It makes the soil, the plant doesn't grow. So they taught us that we should stop deforestation, overgrazing, and all that these things. So when our dear parents do this, it will help them to increase the farming and all those things.
Community members, traditional leaders, and residents are hoping against hope that within the 6 months, they would be able to reclaim all the lands that have been destroyed as a result of illegal mining. Reporting for Joy News, Ina-Thalia Quansah of Radio Max, Wassa East District, Western Region.